Hey guys, welcome to this video, and today I'm going to be showing you what I got in my September IPSY Glam Bag Plus. So if you guys want to see what I got, let's get into it. Alright, so first thing I see is this Illamasqua antimatter lipstick. Don't know what that means. Does it have, let's see, in Solar it says its value is $27, and it says these beloved Brit purveyors, I don't know, of cruelty-free beauty know a thing or two about going bold. For example, this non-drying lipstick in a vibrant poppy coral swipes on with an immediate color payoff. Its vitamin E infused formula conditions lips for a creamy application. So let's see. That is a bright, it is creamy, but I don't know about that color, and I just went through all my lipsticks and stuff. Why can't they send nudes? Nudes. Nude lipstick only, please. Nude lipstick. Because like I feel like with bright colors, everyone wants something different. So I'll probably try this out to see, but I'm thinking it's not my kind of color. So let's go to the next thing. We have this Ofra Cosmetics and Madison Miller Squad palette. So this looks nice. It says multitaskers rejoice. This 3-piece palette collab from Ofra and Madison Miller is all about that to glow. It's all about that go-to glow. Can't talk. Highly pigmented and a cinch to blend, this rosy combo of blush and highlighter creates a lit with different. What? Creates a lit from within look in mere minutes. So this little guy. So that looks nice. Don't know about that blush. I don't think I'll like it, but I think I'll like the highlighters. I do love Ofra's highlighters. I have Pillow Talk and Rodeo Drive, and I love them. So definitely gonna like those highlighters, but the blush seems a little too rosy, dusty rosy toned for me, but we'll see. And that retails for $35. Next we have this Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. It says this ultra blendable translucent powder from formula driven innovators Ciate London is finely milled magic. It glides over makeup for a crease free soft focus finish and locks your look in all day, which is truly extraordinary. I hope that's true. Let me swatch some of this on my hand. I mean, it does look smoothed out. So that's interesting. And that retails for $22. Next thing is this Disco Kitten Illuminating Diamond Peel Off Mask. This luminous, super satisfying peel-off formula from the I Do Care K-Beauty line revitalizes skin on all fronts. It moisturizes, calms, exfoliates, and brightens. Diamond powder boosts elasticity, while rice bran extract packs in the antioxidants. So that's nice. A moisturizing mask. You guys know I love that. And says diamond peel off mask. I wonder if it's like shimmery. Okay, don't do that. Well, it doesn't taste good. So it's like this white. It looks like a cream highlighter. That'll look kind of cool on your face. So that'll be fun. And that retails for $23. Maybe I'll use that tonight. I love doing masks. 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 I don't know. Okay, last thing in the box is the Wander Beauty Wondrous Seascape Eyeshadow Palette. It says, inspired by turquoise waters and sea breezes, this 6-shade palette gives your lids a daydreamy wash of color. Globally sourced ingredients like sea buckthorn extract and sunflower seed oil hydrates lids for a buildable, long-lasting color and a crease-free finish. And that retails for $25. So there's that. Let me swatch them. That's pretty. I don't think I have any powder, like palettes or anything from Wander Beauty, so they seem really nice and creamy and pigmented. So that'll be nice to play with that. That's an awesome little palette, and I'm glad that they have, is that matte? The blue kind of has like a tiny bit of shimmer sheen to it, but they do have this one matte, which is nice for a crease shade. So at least you get one nice matte in there. So the total of this month's box was $132. Okay, so it's $25 a month for the Glam Bag Plus. So $25 for $130 something worth of product is amazing. I think I loved everything in this box except for this lipstick. Like if this was a nude shade, I would probably like it. Or even like a red maybe. But like this color, I don't think I'll like. So that's sad, but everything else is great. So I will put the link for IPSY down below in the description box. And that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time. Bye.